How to reset all settings on your Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on your Android phone easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to your settings and then scroll all the way down and go to the system option like this, and now click on this reset option right here. As you can see, after you click on Reset, you will find three options. Click on Reset all settings from here, and then everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Until the very see you later.